Take a deep breath and settle into this moment, for you are right here, right now, and you are fully present. Allow your body to relax and your mind to become still. As you listen to these words, feel them sinking deep into your subconscious mind, rewriting your story with love, wealth, and success. You are the creator of your world, and you control your thoughts in the direction that you choose. You are enough, just the way you are, and you are worthy of living a life filled with joy and abundance. You love the person you see in the mirror. You choose to see the divine perfection in every cell of your body, honoring your beauty, your strength, and your unique way of being. Your body has its own wisdom, and you fully trust it. Your looks are just a projection of what you think about yourself, and you become more beautiful and more shiny each and every day. You are strong, healthy, and vibrant. A healing energy flows within you now and always, filling every organ, every muscle, and every bone with radiant health. Your energy and vitality increase each and every single day as you open yourself to the free and natural flow of well-being. Abundant health is your birthright, and you claim it now. You are at peace with the world surrounding you, and the world is at peace with you. Peace and tranquility start with your conscious choice to embrace simplicity and relaxation. A peaceful heart makes a peaceful life. You fill your whole being with the light of love and happiness, knowing that where peace lives, there is no room for fear. You are calm, breathing in balance and breathing out all imbalance. You are in command of your life, moving forward with faith and an open mind. You are a powerful spiritual being having a physical experience, and you are loved and supported by the universe. You are worthy of being wealthy. You are a magnet for money, and prosperity of all kinds is drawn to me. Money comes to you in expected and unexpected ways, flowing into your life like a waterfall. You move from poverty thinking to abundance thinking, releasing all negative energy and old programming concerning money. You replace old thoughts with new, healthier beliefs. You are a rich child of a loving universe, and you have the power to attract all that you need. Your finances are improving beyond your dreams, and your bank balance is increasing every day. Money is your servant, and you are the master of your wealth. You are aligned with the energy of abundance, and you constantly attract opportunities that create more money. You use money to better your life and the lives of others, understanding that the more you give, the more you receive. It is a beautiful and peaceful cycle. You see abundance everywhere you look. Your wallet is overflowing, and your income exceeds your expenses. You are debt-free, and you are at peace with having large sums of money. You handle massive success with grace and ease. You realize that money is essential for leading a good life, but you do not make it the number one priority. The universe is your constant supply, and you always have enough to fulfill your needs. Success is yours, and you accept it now. You have unbreakable confidence in yourself and your ability to achieve your goals. You are motivated, dedicated, and intensely focused on your dreams. You are a born leader, taking bold steps toward your destiny. You are always transforming into someone who effortlessly builds wealth and success. You have the attitude of an extremely successful person, and others see you as someone who naturally attracts good fortune. Everything you need to generate wealth is available to you right now. You are persistent, you are disciplined, and you are achieving. You are worthy of love and respect. You deserve to have good, supportive people in your life. All your connections are significant and fill you with joy. As you share love with others, the universe gives back love to you in return. You are the perfect partner, and you are attracting your soulmate through your positive energy. You are willing to forgive yourself and others, freeing your heart from the past. You release all guilt and shame, inhaling life and exhaling peace. You are unconditional love in radiant expression. You trust your intuition and your inner voice completely. The more you get to know yourself, the clearer your life's purpose becomes. You follow your heart and offer the world the gift of your talents and passion. You have a special place in this world, and you are here for a reason. You are unlimited in creating the life that you want. You believe in your dreams and use your mind as a powerful tool for your own best interest. You are patient, taking life step by step, knowing that what is best is yet to come.